Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain chemistry revision assessment for 7th class. The topic is air, wind and cyclones. Let us see the first question. Why is air denser at lower level than at higher altitude? Yes, so the higher altitude, the level of the higher altitude above the sea, it becomes lesser, denser. Okay. Altitude is height above the sea level, it becoming decrease the air. Okay, now decrease the air pressure due to the, what is the reason? If latitude is increases, the air pressure is decreases. If higher the latitude, the air molecules spread out over and then it becomes air is lesser density. Let us see the next question. What is the cause of pressure, difference and wind? What is the primarily drive? The primarily drive is causes due to the pressure. If the pressure is mainly depends upon either temperature is increases or the pressure is decreases. The pressure differences mainly depends upon the latitude belt. Latitude belt. Next, see the third question. Air moves from a region of higher pressure to a lower pressure. Prove this statement by a simple experiment. By using the experiment, you have to say the moving of the air from higher region to the lower region. So here one experiment, take a balloon and fill the air into that balloon. What do you observe? On filling the air into the balloon expands. When we touch the balloon, it becoming harder because the air pressure is increased. Okay. So it is a very exact pressure in the balloon. It becoming harder walls of the balloon. Okay. So here high pressure contain exact pressure. When we open the mouth of the balloon, what you observe? The air moving from the balloon, it moves upward direction. Okay. Yes, inside the balloon the air having the exact pressure. The air moves from higher region towards the lower region air pressure. By using this balloon experiment, we have to say the moving of the air from higher pressure region to the lower pressure region. Already we know the moving. The exact pressure. Moving air is called wind. Yes, it moves with the high pressure region to the low pressure region. Let us see the fourth question. How are winds useful in our life? So generally the winds are useful in our life. The moving of the wind direction is reversed in the month of December to early March. December to March. Generally the wind is moved from land to ocean. In the month of December to early March, the move direction is reversed. The moving of the air move from land to ocean. On that time, the air carry the water from ocean to land and it gets rain. So generally in our country, so many farmers are depends upon the harvesting. Okay, these winds already also useful for the generation of the energy. Let us see the fifth question. Explain effect of moving air with an activity. Let us just see one activity here. Take one glass and one postcard. Keep the glass on the bench and then keep the postcard on the glass. We have to move the postcard with our hand or book. What do you observe? The air is present inside the glass with the high pressure. So the high pressure wind is moved towards the upward direction and then these postcard is flipped up. Next, we have to wet the third and then paste with this postcard with the edges of the glass and then you have to keep inward position. Same inward position, what do you observe? You have to invert the glass and then same you have to wave our hands with our hand and book. You observe the high pressure air is present in the glass, it pushes towards the cardboard. So what do you observe? The cardboard is lift up or fall down. It fall down. By using this activity, the effect of moving air on this postcard. I hope all are understood. Thank you.